Hey, what's up, mobile gaming fans? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you're always in the loop with the latest mobile gaming tips and tricks. Today, I've got a super simple hack method to get unlimited stars and coins in Gardenscapes. No need for a computer, no weird software, and best of all, no rooting or jailbreaking your device. I tried it myself and the resources showed up in my game account right away. So let's walk through it step by step. It's really easy. Let's get started. First things first, you need to locate your player ID from Gardenscapes. This is super important, so don't skip this. Just open the game, head to your profile settings, and you'll see a string of numbers. That's your ID. Copy it down or take a quick screenshot, whatever works for you. Got it? Great. Let's keep going. Next, grab your phones and open browser, Chrome, Safari, whatever you like, and go to the site I'm using today. This site has a bunch of hack tools for mobile games, and it works like a charm. Search for Gardenscapes there and tap on the generator link. Now you're on the generator page. You'll see a short form to fill out. Choose your platform, iOS or Android, and paste the player ID you grabbed earlier. Double check everything's correct, and then hit connect. It'll link up with your account in just a few seconds. The connection is secured with encryption and proxies, so you're covered on the safety side. Once it connects, you'll get to pick how much resources you want to add to your game. Choose whatever amount you need and tap Generate. You can always come back later if you need more. No big deal. The tool will now start doing its thing behind the scenes. Server links, encryption, all that nerdy tech stuff. Just give it a minute to finish up. Before everything gets sent to your game, there's a short verification step. It's there to prevent bots from spamming the system, and it's pretty easy. Usually, it just asks you to download a free app from the App Store or Play Store and do a quick task like opening it or tapping around inside for a minute. They even have little how-to videos in case you need help. Once that's done, you're all set. And boom, the resources should now be in your account. I've already gone through this myself, so I won't repeat it, but as you can see, the resources are there. No more grinding or dropping cash, just more time to enjoy the game. And that's the full hack guide. If this video helped you out, give it a like and share it with your gaming buddies. Got stuck somewhere? Leave a comment below. I check them often and I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell so you catch the next guide or cool trick I drop. Thanks for hanging out, enjoy the game, and I'll see you in the next one.